Welcome to Revoluzer, the business of lust. Just take a minute and discover this exciting opportunity. The Revoluzer PornNet community is entertainment and business in one. 40 years after the sexual revolution, porn is no longer walled off behind closed doors, but embraced openly by our modern society. Nudity is everywhere. Recent studies undertaken by a major media company reveal that about 50% of our society is consuming pornographic movies at least once a month. This means almost half of our population is watching porn movies, both men and women. Scientific studies prove porn stimulates the limbic system, the pleasure centers of our brains. Since positive stimuli create a state of euphoria, the consumption of porn also has an addictive potential. The porn industry is serving a huge market which is growing without limit in response to an insatiable demand. The porn business is booming constantly. The time has come for the first worldwide PornNet community. Revoluzer combines the porn industry, the internet and network marketing to a massive dynamic union for the first time in history. The porn industry with its yearly billion-dollar revenues, the internet with a growth of about 150 million new users every year, and network marketing, the fastest of all modern distributing strategies ever. Create your own safe income, which will quickly grow by itself using our smart and simple method with the first PornNet community. Revoluzer gives you the opportunity to profit from the porn industry as well. Let the sexual primal instincts work for your business. Become Revoluzer and earn your money in the hottest industry in the world, an industry where top earners are no exception and huge profits no surprise.